So hello guys, again I am back with English grammar topic, that is present simple tense. So there are basically three tense: present tense, past tense, and future tense. We will discuss one by one. So first of all, there is present simple tense. I'm going to keep it simple as possible, because we are not going to discuss a definition which we are repeating from our school life. So we have to motivate ourselves, we have to improve ourselves, we have to just understand the sequence and structure of the sentences of present simple tense. So so watch it until the end. You will learn how we use present simple tense in our daily life. So first of all, the simple present tense is one of the most common tense in English, and basic tense in English grammar. So where we use present simple tense, using a simple tense, we use the present simple tense to express usual and repeated action, face, event, situation, or habitual action, or natural truth that also carry present simple tense. So for example, the sun sets in the west. This is natural truth. uh, this is nature to the sunsets in the west. So we can use present simple tense for that. I run every weekend. This is habit. Habitual tense. Habit. This is habit. We can use present simple tense for habitual work. So I run every weekend. This is habit. They speak English in USA. This is situation. We can use present simple tense also for situation. So this is the use of present simple tense. We have to understand the structure of the present simple tense. So forming the simple present tense, structure of sentence, present simple tense. Okay, so here S stand for subject, V stand for verb, and O stand for object. So for example, we declare an statement, declare a statement. For example, positive sense. In positive sense, I go to school. So in positive sentence, the structure is subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. Verb, first form of verb. So we are going with I go to school. Here I stand for subject, go stand for verb, and school stand for object. So to here is infinitive. So here is the positive. In positive sentence, structure is subject, verb, and object. So in negative sentence, the structure carries do or does, subject plus do, does not, do or does not, plus verb plus object. So for example, I do not go to school. I subject do, helping verb. Here do stand for helping verb. Do not go to school. So this is the structure of negative sentence. And then interrogative, question mark, interrogative sentence. Here we uh, here we apply do or does in the beginning of sentence. And the beginning of sentence, do. For example, do I go to school? Do here stand for helping verb. I stand for subject. Go stand for verb plus object. We use first form of verb in present simple tense. So and another example is, does she go to school? So this is different. This is the difference, do or does. So we are going to discuss. So note do use with I, we, you, they, and does use with he, she, it, and singular now. Means the categories of pronouns: first person singular, second person singular, first person plural, first person singular is I, and first person plural is we, and second person singular is you, and second person plural. So they all carry do with them, and only third person singular or any singular noun carry does with them. So this is the main point, main thing in structure of present simple tense. So does apply with he, she, it, or any singular noun, and do with the rest of all. So this is the structure of present simple tense. We have to just remind, we have to just we have to just go with correct structure, not with the definition which we are going since our school life. So this is the basic structure and usage of present simple tense. Hope you liked it. If I made any mistake, let me know in comment section. And this video was made for the one viewers comment on last video. He said that you have to go with your own section English grammar, so I am going with it. So please subscribe my channel, and let me teach more. Thank you.